Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Number Color Club. Today, we are coloring our best mushroom friend, Toad. Let's go! First, let's find all the number ones. That's white. We'll use this to color parts of Toad's big mushroom cap. Next is number 2. It's blue. Let's fill in Toad's cute little vest. Now for number 3, black. We'll use this for his bright, happy eyes. Time for number 4. This is red. Let's color those signature spots on his mushroom cap. Here comes number 5 for yellow. We'll add some yellow detail to his outfit. Look at all these number 6s. That's beige. It fills in Toad's face and arms. Next is number 7, green. Let's use this for the background. Almost finished. Number 8 is pink. Let's color his happy smile. And finally, number 9. It's orange. This fills in the rest of the background scene. Wow! Look at Toad. He looks ready for an adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the Number Color Club. See you next time.